In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Projects. By the end, you'll feel confident creating a project, assigning it to a customer, setting a status and deadline, and getting your estimate ready so you can track work and stay on budget. Start by opening your browser and heading to Xero's website for your region. From the homepage, select Log In and sign into your account as you normally would. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your device ready. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look for the Projects option in the navigation and open it. If you don't see projects, your organization might not have access yet, or your user role may not include it, so check with your administrator. Inside Projects, switch the view to All Projects. This gives you a complete list of work in progress and anything completed, which is helpful for consistency and quick comparisons. Now create a new project by choosing New Project. You'll be taken to the Project Setup view where you can define the essentials before tracking time or expenses. Set the status to In Progress if work has already started. This makes the project visible as active immediately and ensures time and costs log against it correctly from day one. Next, select the contact you'll be working with. Click into the contact field and choose the correct customer from your list. If your list is long, start typing the name to search and make sure you pick the right one so invoices route to the right place. Give your project a clear, descriptive name that your team will recognize at a glance. Avoid internal shorthand that could confuse others later. A good name makes reporting and searching much easier. Then pick a deadline using the date selector. Choose a realistic due date that reflects the scope and any client commitments. Deadlines help keep the project visible in your pipeline and can drive reminders and prioritization. Open the estimate section to outline expected time and costs. This is where you set expectations for effort and budget, so stakeholders understand the scale of the work before anything is billed. Keep your estimate aligned with your pricing model and include a buffer if your projects typically involve revisions. When everything looks right, create the project to save your settings. You'll now see it listed under All Projects with the status you set. From here, you're ready to track time, record expenses, and monitor profitability as the work progresses. That's the core workflow for getting a project up and running in Xero Projects. Simple, consistent, and built for visibility.